preparing goat's head, Isi Ewu today. Pieces the goat's head, bring out, spice it with onion, pepper, everything you need. Bring out the brain and wrap in the foil and put. Also put small water so you'll be able to steam it. Pound your pepper, your calabash, and by now the brain is ready. You put it in the mortar as well and grind it together with those pepper. Put light stock, then add your oil, mix very well with the pesto. Now you can add your potash, ongo, anyone. The solution is what you need. Add it, stir the oil to get the yellow emulsion. Add your baka or uba, then you can now mix together and then add the meat. You can add, this is the original Isi Ewu that we all eat. It's so simple to make, it is delicious, and make sure to garnish with your potash leaves and pepper and onion. Enjoy.